Hey guys, it's your own boy, the one only Great Dane, back with day 213 Star Drop opening during the Brawl Together events. And I know we have 2 times Star Drops today, but with events like this, it's always hard for me to tell whether they meant within 14 days or during 14 days. So I don't know if it's actually continuing to tomorrow or not. So anyway, let's see what we have.
Rare.
25 power points.
Rare.
So rare. 50 coins.
Rare.
Another rare. 25 power points.
Rare.
Whole lot of rare. 100 XP doublers.
Super rare.
Super rare. 50 power points.
Epic.
And epic. Right. At least it finished off pretty good. Right, let's have a look in the shop. So, we have the antivirus 8-bit in the shop now, and it will last just as long as Ferocious Fang. And you guys may have noticed it's actually timed exactly, well, maybe not exactly, because that's 28 days, 9 hours. So the offers go away 2 hours before the season ends, which again, I don't know why it's so specific, but it pretty much lasts the entire season. The only one here that's not going to last is Navigator Colette, so if you guys wanted that, make sure to try to pick it up today. For the daily freebies, you have 10 power points, and 5 credits. Something I've been wondering ever since they implemented the double daily freebies is it possible to get 2 daily jackpots now? Because I'm not actually 100% sure on that. Let me see if there's anything that's going on that I'm aware of. And I really just wanted to check quick to see if it's pretty funny that the actual showing of the event isn't even in the news tab anymore. I'm guessing that's again because we hit the goal of 14 billion takedowns already, so I guess it's nearly irrelevant at this point, but again, we'll have to see if the Mastery Madness, Coin Shower, and Double Star Drop scares into tomorrow or not. Other than that, I don't think there's too much to talk about, so as of today, I have 13,300 XP doublers and 27,869 power points that I really don't want. So, yeah guys, thanks so much for watching as always, and let's see how far I can take this.